So if you want to find your lost or misplaced Soundcore Liberty 5 earbuds, then you simply need to just go to the Soundcore application. Of course, you should have set this up before. Okay, so just go there, and then on the app, you can see the earbuds here, left and right, and then the case. So just go to settings in the top right corner, and then under settings, scroll down to find device, tap on that, and then you can see you can find the left and right earbud separately. So let's say you misplaced one, maybe it fell inside the couch or something. You can just play a sound, and they will attempt to play the loudest sound they can. Let me just bring it close to the mic so you can hear. So when they're playing that sound, you should be able to find them in a relatively quiet environment. Same goes for the right earbud. And that should help you find them in case you've misplaced them. Anyway, thanks for watching and good luck.